everyone, welcome to the Case Theory. We started this channel about less than a year ago and got our hands on some of the most amazing cases for the latest Apple products. Leather cases, silicone cases, and even amazing skins, you name it. We understand great cases can get pretty pricey, so we also managed to get discount codes for some of them. Be sure to check out the links through some of our past videos and don't forget to use them. Subscribe to our channel for the latest updates, and in case you've missed our previous video, we are currently doing a giveaway, so do check out the link in the description below. For today's video, we are continuing on the series of cases for the iPad. To be honest, we are pretty excited because, face it, there's not a lot of choice for iPad cases, so getting good brands to come up with one is pretty exciting. The iPad case we're checking out today is from Nomad. I guess it's pretty obvious that we have strong feelings for Nomad's products. Their products are amazing and we have reviewed quite a few on our channel. So thank you Nomad for sending us this review unit. Now with that being said, this is not a paid review, so they'll be seeing this for the first time right alongside you. From the rugged Kevlar cable to the premium horween leather material used for the cases, Nomad is committed to using materials that stands out and outlast. Well, as a fan of the brand for many years now, this statement, which was taken from their website, has been tested and proven accurate. While it is normal to expect wear and tear from ordinary cases, the horween leather material used are meant to patina over time, which means the longer you use them, the more rugged they will look. At the time of this video, Nomad has two variants for the cases, being the rugged case and the rugged folio. The main difference between the two is basically just the folio, which serves to protect the screen. So if you think this might not be necessary, you get to save on $50. They also have two different colors for the cases, black and rustic brown. Both are made of the same horween material though and will patina over time. Well, the horween leather is not the only thing that screams premium. The packaging is just as impressive. It is made of hardcover and the weight almost made it feel like a book. The design is pretty elegant with a picture of the product printed on the front and a name written in bold white font at the top corner. It states here iPad Pro Rugged Folio 11-inch 2nd generation. Nomad made the cases only for the latest version of the iPad Pro. However, this case is also compatible with the previous generation of the iPad Pro. On the reverse side, there is another huge print of the case, this time demonstrating the patina feature. Also worth mentioning is the link to claim for some free stickers at the bottom. To open the package, simply unclip the side magnetic strip. The moment the cover was lifted, the first thing that caught our attention besides the welcome note was the remarkable smell of the horween leather. The case definitely feels sturdy, yet has an incredibly slim and lightweight design. The inner side is entirely made of protective microfiber lining and polycarbonate frame. There is also a huge Nomad engraving which will be hidden once the iPad is installed. Installing the case can be quite tricky and might take some getting used to. What we find can be helpful is to slide the iPad into the top corners and then press down the bottom corners using your thumb. So if you've been using Nomad's phone cases, the iPad Pro Rugged Folio case is literally a blown up version of that, except that it is way better, and of course you get more of the awesome leather for you to smell and feel. The folio that is meant to protect the screen serves multiple purposes. It can bend a few adjustable ways to complement reading and typing positions. There are also plenty of hidden magnets embedded within to ensure it remains tightly shut when it is meant to. The inner side of the folio is made of microfiber material that acts to protect the screen as well. The case is built with a high-grade polycarbonate body surrounded by raised TPE bumpers to ensure that the iPad Pro is well protected from daily bumps and scratches. It uses mainly cutout design for the power buttons and charging port, but the four corners are fully protected. There are also raised edges surrounding the camera at the back to preserve the camera as well. Unlike UH's case, which uses a latch to secure the Apple Pencil, Nomad left the Apple Pencil to its original design. Well, there can be many valid theories for the absence of something to further secure the Apple Pencil. Firstly, Apple designed it that way, and from the looks of it, they seem pretty confident in the strength of the magnet that holds on to the pencil. Secondly, if you watched our previous video on the UAG case, you will find out that the latch can be quite annoying, especially if it's not detachable. It might also be worth noting that having the pencil free also makes it super accessible. The craftsmanship and design of the Nomad's iPad Pro Rugged Folio has been truly outstanding. Let us now take a look at how it fares under the TCT Case scoring system. In terms of design, the case gets an impeccable 5 out of 5. We certainly feel that a lot of thought has been given to produce the case. From choosing the right blend of materials to ensuring that everything serves more than their purposes, Nomad definitely nailed it. It is incredible how the case does not add bulk yet feels rock solid in the hands. Having the case wrapped around the iPad instantly changes it into a luxury accessory, and as a minimalist, the simplicity of the design is definitely a pulling factor. In terms of protection, the case gets an unquestionable 5 out of 5. The hidden magnets in the folio are truly a smart way to ensure it remains secure to protect the screen in the event of iPad drops. This is an additional protection aside from the raised TPU bumpers surrounding the polycarbonate frame. On the inner side, the microfiber material does an excellent job to protect the front and back of the iPad. Lastly, in terms of price, the case gets a 4 out of 5. Priced at $149.95 USD, some might find the price to be a little steep. In order to produce the case, the exclusive horween leather material is used to cover a huge surface area, which inevitably caused it to be highly priced. Well, at least you know you're paying according to what you're getting. A luxury iPad rugged case that is durable and comes in a premium packaging. Overall, the iPad Pro Rugged Folio Case by Nomad gets an impressive score of 4.7 out of 5. The Case Theory highly recommends this case, especially for those who appreciate the perfect authentic leather patina that looks rugged as hell. So we've come to the end of the review. If you wish to get one for yourself, do check out the affiliate links provided in the description box. As mentioned at the start of the video, don't miss out on our current giveaway. Simply check out the link which we will also provide below. Thank you guys for watching. Do subscribe to us if you haven't. Till then, see you in the next one.